And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this 6-pack of candles. It is in this completely sealed packaging. A nice little tie. That's the sticker there. And on the back, they even have a little model, CA00217US. But let's open this up and take a look at these candles. Love the little box they got here. Look at that. So nice. So these are 100% soy wax candles. They are scented, 6 of them, and they burn at least 20 hours. Wow. Open it right up, and then there's 6 candles in here. So the first candle is, well, this is number 6. Hold on. Is this number 1? Hey. So this is number 1. This is a cedar scented candle. As you see, handmade with 100% natural essential oils and 100% soy wax. Enjoy your life. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. Nice sealed top. Oh, wow. That smells exactly like cedar. Love that. And nice glass container. All right, so cedar is number 1. Number 2, I don't even have the slightest idea how to say that. This is the number 2 candle. Smells pretty good. Makes me think of one of those like vintage places that sell stuff. That's what it smells like to me. Number 3, fresh rose. So the fresh rose candle. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my God, that smells amazing. Yes, number 1 so far. I'm gonna put it over here. Fresh rose is a winner. Number 4, sweet grapefruit. That actually smells pretty good too. Man, these are some good smelling candles. These would be great for your significant other or your grandmother, mom, etc., who may love candles. This is a rose and garnet berry. See what it smells like. Very unique smell. Don't know what a garnet berry is, but, and lastly, a fig candle, number 6. Oh, never knew fig tasted good. Wow. So that is the 6 candles that come inside of this. So essentially, this is exactly what the candles would look like. All 3.5 ounces, 100 grams for each candle that they say will burn approximately 20 hours. Great scents, absolutely no complaints, and a perfect gift for somebody who enjoys candles. That will do it for this video. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.